by these dogs making love. And I was very confused about what was going on because, I'm a kid. So I asked my mom what were those dogs doing. And I guess she didn't want to lie to me because she told me that the dogs were just making a puppy. I just said, okay. And then I seen the look on my mom's face. She looked relieved because I didn't ask any more questions. Well, the very next day, I burst into my parents' room because I wanted to ask them could I stay the night at a friend's house. But instead, I caught them making love, and then my mother quickly jumped off my father and covered herself. So I tried to shut their bedroom door, but then my mom came out the bedroom and told me that we needed to talk. So we went downstairs and sat at the dining room table. But, anyways, I asked her what was her and my father doing. And again, she didn't want to lie to me, so she said me and your father were making a baby. That's when I paused for a moment and then I got to thinking. And when I finally looked up at her, I said, well, mommy, can you please let dad flip you over? Because I want a puppy.